So today I want to show you how to set up reoccurring deposits on your Fidelity account. So we're actually here in real time in our Fidelity account, currently on the home page of our app. Now, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and hop over to our transact button, which is this middle green button, has that little $sign in the middle. Let's click on this. And that's going to bring up a menu option here for us. And we're going to see the option right over here that says automate. It has that little gear icon and the arrows going in a circle. Let's choose this option. And from here in the automate options, the second option towards the top is going to say reoccurring transfers. You can either click that or the icon on the right-hand side. Now from here is going to take you to the transfer page. It looks fairly similar to our regular transfers. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and choose where we want to pull from. So let's click this down arrow and it's going to show you the banks that you have on file. Now, if you want to add a new bank, you can click on link a bank account to go through the process to add a second bank account. But since our bank is already on file, let's click that option. And then from here, it's going to ask us where we want to move that money into. So let's click this down arrow on the right, and we're going to go ahead and choose our Fidelity account we have. Now, next up, it's going to ask for your frequency. And this is the part we want to make sure we click on the down arrow and then choose the option that works best for us. So we're going to choose the bi-weekly option and then the start date. So if we keep on scrolling here, you're going to see where it has an end date. It is optional, but you do not have to go ahead and put that in. And then from here, it's going to let you know which amount you can put in with a minimum of $10. So we're going to choose $15 here for ours. And then we're going to go ahead and click on done on the right. And then from here, we're going to want to click on preview here at the bottom. And then here on the preview, this is just going to go over everything and making sure that this looks good with our total dollar amount we want to be having transferred, where it's coming from, where it's going to, and then how often it's happening, and then when the start date's going to happen. So for us, if everything looks good, we're going to click on submit here at the bottom. And just like that, your automatic deposits into your Fidelity account are all set to go. Now there's more to show you when it comes to utilizing your Fidelity account. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.